it golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah. Keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind.
We are going to be heading out, but I wanted to quickly show you guys my outfit of the day. Pants are Quince, top is J. Crew. It's about 3 years old. Belt is my Hermes Kelly belt. It's got my Miu Miu sneakers for comfort. They're super comfortable and fun. Bag is my Hermes TPE, which is my very first Hermes bag. Jewelry I kept simple. Got my Cartier tank watch, my Cartier Juste un Clos bracelet and ring, my love ring, my Aura ring, and my diamond infinity. The boys are outside decorating the house right now for Halloween. So I will show you guys a little clip of that. City, maybe doing a little bit of shopping, have lunch, and just have a nice, beautiful fall day. It is approximately 80 degrees and very sunny, so I am wearing my linen pants. Fall in the Northeast is very interesting because it's either crisp and chilly in the morning and then 90 degrees in the afternoon, so you're sweating. So the best advice is to wear layers. I'm wearing my linen pants because they are breathable, they're comfortable, and then this top from J. Crew, which is like, it's like a soft sweater like material but very thin, so not super confining or warm. My crossbody bag because it's perfect for walking around Manhattan. So I'm going to be filming today's vlog on the new iPhone 17 Pro Max to show you guys. One thing I've had issues with is when I'm going to film and I put it on the video setting and have 4K on, it just goes black. It doesn't let me film in selfie mode for 4K, so it only gives me the option of filming in HD on a selfie mode. Right now I'm filming in HD 30 frames per second and the quality is pretty good. I was hoping I could film in 4K in selfie mode, but I haven't quite figured that out. I have to either mess around with the settings or do some research. We're gonna get our day started and bring you guys along, and we're gonna be vlogging all day on the camera so you can see what the quality and battery life and everything is like, and I can report back. I ended up changing my outfit because it is 80 degrees outside and so hot. So I'm wearing this dress from Free People. It's really more of like a tunic top, but I've paired it with shorts underneath, my flats from the row, and my Hermes TPE bag. I debated wearing my Laurent Piana, which matches the shoes perfectly. I may switch out, I'm not sure. Comfortable, breezy, cool. We'll probably go get lunch and go from there. we were just on the Sex and the City block. We had no idea that the stoop was infamous, Carrie Bradshaw stoop. It happens to be on Perry and West 4th, and we saw people lining up to take pictures. So I stopped and asked a group of 3 really sweet girls what was going on, and that's when they shared, oh, you know the show Sex and the City? I'm like, I lived and breathed that show. And sure enough, everyone was like lined up to take pictures there. People that were waiting to take pictures were kind enough to let us take a quick picture, so we did. Oh, look how pretty this front stoop is decorated. Perfect content for hubby in the house. For your content.
That's awesome.
So pretty. You should get a picture of that. Look at that big pumpkin. It's huge. So cool. So the block is like really nice. I actually went to school at NYU. I graduated from NYU, so this is kind of like, say hi to the vlog.
Hi,
Say
vlog.
hi, vlog.
It's your birthday, vlog.
Now almost the 3rd birthday, yes. 3rd year on YouTube. 3 years on the 11th officially. It's not the 11th yet. We're just filming ahead of schedule. But having gone to NYU, this is kind of like my old stomping grounds, but a lot has changed also. And there's places that I'm still discovering. That's what's amazing about New York. You can find something new and discover something new every single day. It's a very dense, incredible place filled with history and so many like bits and pieces of magic. So very cool. Now we are walking to get gelato, and then we're going to head on home. I got frozen matcha, which was pretty good, and hubby tried coffee from Rhythm Zero. How was Rhythm Zero?
Very good.
Very good. Thumbs up.
Very good.
Very good. All right. Let's go get some gelato.